get some work done. I ate too much food. We need to live that soft life, you know? I don't want to be married with kids. It's already 3 o'clock and I haven't done anything. Like, I feel like I'm wasting my day. I have nothing to do.
We could die from that, okay?
I'm starting my own clothing brand. Like, I'm so excited. Hey babes, good morning. It's Sunday. Anyway, it is Sunday. I don't even know what I was gonna say. Let's get ready for the day. Let me just turn on this light. Okay. Oh, wow. I got these new concealers from Fenty Beauty, so let's try to see which one my shade is. I don't know. Is that too dark? Guys, what do you think? Let me mix them. Yeah, honestly, that might be good. So the plan for today, there is no plan. I have no idea what I'm doing. Literally on my to-do list, it was just workout, shower, makeup, and matcha. And we got the matcha, we did the shower, we did the skincare, and now we're doing our makeup. So we're just gonna try to figure out what to do for the rest of the day. This concealer is kind of like, it's not vibing. Is this color even correct? I don't even know. Anyway, let's figure out what to do. Like, it's kind of cloudy outside, so I don't even know if like being outside is the move, but I do want to like do something. I don't know. Like, it might just have to be a productive like stay-at-home day where I'm editing, but I have a 3-day weekend, so we should be doing stuff, right? Guys, Johnny just texted me, what are you doing today? Now I don't have to figure out what I have to do today because we can figure it out together. And honestly, when we hang out, it's just like, we're vibing anyway, so yes. Okay, let me get ready. Let me get an outfit and then let's see what we're actually gonna be doing today. Girly pops. This is the vibe, this is the fit. Lululemon BBL jacket, Aritzia TNA sweats. I'm snatched. I'm literally snatched. This is literally the most snatching thing in the world. Anyway, I'm gonna go to a cafe as usual, get some work done, and maybe do some shopping. We're not sure, but I'll see you at the cafe. Bye. Guys, I ate too much food at dinner time. My parents invited their friends over and then someone brought fried banana and it's literally my favorite dessert ever. I don't know what it is, but it's like banana that's like deep fried and like wrapped in like a skin thing and it's like crunchy and sweet and so good. And I'm so full because I ate so much. But like, that's just the vibe right now. Like, I'm full. It's 8 p.m. Dinner's done and like, I don't know what to do. Like, I did so much work today and I'm just like sitting here. It's the weekend. It's a 3-day weekend, so I don't have work tomorrow. I feel like I need to fill up this time with something. I don't know what it is, but like, because I have a long weekend, I feel like I should be... Why do I look like that? Like, why am I giving corporate right now? I'm sorry. I feel like I should be taking advantage of this time that I have off to do things, but like I don't want to do anything. So like, why am I forcing myself to do something? Like, maybe I should just like lay in bed, but then I feel a little guilty just laying in bed. I have nothing that I want to watch. Bored out of my mind. But anyway, I'm just like in a weird mood. I feel like I always make myself so busy that like the times that I'm not busy, I don't know what to do with myself and I just feel not guilty, like kind of guilty, like because I feel like I should be like making myself useful or doing something productive. Like I should relax. I worked really hard today. We need to live that soft life, you know, just chillax. Duh. I have a free day tomorrow. Being home in your 20s is like a weird time. You're trying to figure out our lives and like what we want to do. We are still so young, so like I shouldn't put too much pressure on myself to be going out and doing things. But like I see everyone on social media and I see what everyone else is doing and I'm like, oh my god, that like looks so cool. They're going places, they're doing things. People are getting married and having kids, okay? And I'm living at home with my parents. And like why am I comparing myself to them when I don't even want that life? Like I don't want to be married with kids. But for some reason when I look at that, I'm like, am I doing something wrong? Like, should I be married and having kids? Like, is that the vibe? Is that what we're doing? Like, I'm just a kid. Anyway, that's just like my little rant for today. That's my cue to wind down for the night and just chillax. Good morning, everyone. It's Monday. It's a very cloudy day today. The vibes are very cloudy and I don't really like cloudy days because it's cold and I'm freezing inside my own house. Like I'm wearing a hoodie and sweats, but I'm still cold. So we don't vibe with that. Anyway, so the plan for today is nothing again. I think I'm gonna read a little bit because this is the perfect like reading weather, you know? So like I'm gonna make my little matcha and then like get into bed, lay on my squishmallow and then just like sip my matcha and like read my book. Like that's just so cute. So that's the vibe. This is Beanie. Hi. Anyway, let's go make some matcha. Listen, girly. I'm just like in my wellness girly era, like it's like a cozy cloudy vibe right now. I feel like I need some like jazz music playing or something. Anyway, still reading this book. I don't know. I'm like a third of the way done, I think. Really short. But just gonna read a little bit, tap into that reading girl era, you know? And yeah, like that's just the vibe right now. This matcha is so good. Also, let me know why like I'm so sore. Because remember when I did the workout during my glow up last week? That Alexis Ren booty workout was like really working my booty because like I can barely, ew, what's that? Anyway, I can barely like move. It hurts so much to like go to the bathroom. Like I need to, when I squat down onto the toilet seat, like my legs are on fire. It's bad. But at least I'll be like getting a booty, you know? Also, I forgot to stir this. So like maybe that's why it tastes kind of strong. Anyway, let's get to reading, okay?
I love butter. This one specifically, fire.
Guys, I'm stressed, okay? It's already 3 o'clock and I haven't done anything. Like, I feel like I'm wasting my day, like my free day, my day off, I'm wasting it. Like, I'm stressed and it's like, I have nothing to do. Like, my laundry's done. I mean, I could clean up. Like, why am I stressed? Because like, I have nothing to do on my free day. Like, I feel like I want to make this day worth it. But like, I've literally just been sitting here doing nothing or like going on my phone. So I made a list of things to do because I have nothing else to do, so might as well just make a list. We're gonna do some recycling. We're gonna clean under my bed bench thing because there's so much crap in there. Edit the vlog for next week or for this week. I'm gonna go through my clothes and see what clothes I want to donate again because for some reason, even though I donate clothes every 5 seconds, some come out of the woodwork and is like, hey, you've never worn me in like 10 months. Donate me. So yeah, we're gonna figure that out. I'm gonna tidy up a little bit. And then I also want to do some research for my clothing brand that I'm launching. I don't know if I should like tell you guys this, but like, I'm so excited. Like, y'all know that I love hoodies and I've been really wanting to launch my own clothing brand. So I want to do some research and like learn everything that there is to know about the clothing industry and manufacturing and ordering and all that type of stuff. So wish me luck because there's a lot to learn. Yeah. Anyway, let's get on with the list. Hello. So like, there's too much stuff under here and I just like shove everything under here. And I've been doing that for the past like year, but I really think that it's time to take all this stuff out. Okay. But like, I also don't know what I would like put in here. Like, what is the purpose of this area? Like, do I put shoes? Oh my god, it's so dusty. Okay. Like, she's clean. That's progress. My beanie? Okay, well, anyway, that took like 30 seconds. I don't know why I didn't do that earlier. But now I have to like figure out where to put all this stuff. Guys, look at that. Is that not so aesthetic? I'm so proud of myself. Like, this has never been this clean. Wow. Yeah, like, there's like a whole bunch of stuff underneath my bed. Let's just like ignore that for now. Like, do you guys get the vibe? Do you see what I'm going for? Guys, my room is clean. Look at the floor. We can see the floor. Wow. Like, when I started cleaning, I realized, wow, there's actually a lot of stuff that does need cleaning because, well, anyway, Beanie has the zoomies. Yeah. Okay. What are you doing? I loaded up my car with all the clothes I wanted to donate, but I don't even know if they're open to donate because it's MLK. So like, I'm gonna have to check before we go because I'm not trying to like go over there and then they end up being closed and then I drove over there for literally no reason.
So apparently Goodwill is open. So we're gonna go and donate all the stuff in my back seat. It's getting cold. Like, it's already 4:30. By the way, just letting you guys know, never drive with a claw clip in because I heard some girl, she was driving with a claw clip in and then she got into an accident and then like the claw clip shards were like embedded in her skull. And that causes brain damage and we don't want a claw clip in our skull. So we always drive with a little hair tie or just have our hair down. So no claw clips, no metals, like especially not the metal ones. I don't know who started this trend. It literally frustrates me so much because there are these companies and people are just like buying metal like claw clips or metal picks to go in your hair and I'm like, what if you fell? What if you fell and then like that just like impaled your brain? Like that is, I mean, I'm sorry, that's a little graphic, but like it's true. We're never wearing metal in our hair because that is scary and like we could die from that. Okay? Anyway, so enough of this morbid talk. Let's go to Goodwill and donate my stuff. Guys, I finished dropping off all the stuff. Feels so like light and clean when I donate clothes. Vibes are clean. Like I have less stuff now. Feels good, you know? So, anyway, let's go home.
Guys, I just got home and it's freezing. So that's why I have the heater on. It's time to do some research for my clothing brand. I'm actually so excited, guys. Like, I don't think you guys understand how long I've been waiting to, I don't know, like, start this. Like, I'm so excited. I want to show you guys like my entire process, what I want to do, the behind the scenes of everything, because we're in this together. Like, I'm making this for you guys. I'm starting my own clothing brand. I'm so excited, but first I need to start doing some research because there's so much to learn, and I want to learn as much as I can because I want to create the best thing, like something that I'm proud of to like release and like to give you guys. I'm putting my entire Hudsy in these hoodies, okay? And I'm not gonna stop at hoodies, okay? I want to do t-shirts, baby tees, jeans, pants, top, bottoms, like accessories. Like I get so excited thinking about it and talking about it, so I just can't wait. But first we need to do a lot of research, so we're just gonna have to learn a lot. Anyway, stay tuned, there's so much to do.